In this video, I will cover NCERT exercise 2.2 question first from Polynomials, class 10th math. This is exercise 2.2 from Polynomials, class 10th. So in this video, I will cover the first question and all of its parts. So this is first part of question 1. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. The equation is x square minus 2x minus 8. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 8. For finding zeros of the equation, equate with 0. Therefore, x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. For factorizing this kind of equation, like x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, first of all, we will multiply the extremes of the equation, that is x square and minus 8. Therefore, the product of x square and minus 8 is equal to minus 8x square. Then, as shown in the figure, I have factorized on the right hand side of the solution. Now rearrange the factors of minus 8x square in such a way that the addition or subtraction of the parts should be equal to the middle term. So, minus 2x is equal to minus 4x plus 2x. When we take 2 into minus 2 into x together and 2 and x separately. So it has been taken positive and minus 4x. So sum is minus 2x. Therefore, I have divided the middle term minus 2x into minus 4x plus 2x. Now, we will take x square minus 4x in one bracket and 2x minus 8 in other bracket, and take out x from the first bracket and 2 from the second bracket. So you'll get x minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Because the product of x minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0, therefore either x minus 4 will be 0 or x plus 2 will be 0. Therefore, if x minus 4 is 0, so x will be 4, and if x plus 2 is equal to 0, x will be minus 2. So the two roots are alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to minus 2. Now on adding both the roots, alpha plus beta is equal to 4 minus 2. That is equal to 2. So this is equation number 1. On multiplying both the roots, alpha into beta is equal to 4 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 8. This is equation number 2. Now we will handle the coefficients of the equation. So divide minus b with a. So we will get minus within brackets minus 2 upon 1. So this will be equal to 2. This is equation number 3. On comparing equation 1 and equation 3, the right hand side of both the equation is equal to 2. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Now dividing c with a, we get minus 8 upon 1, that is equal to minus 8. This is equation number 4. So now comparing equation number 2 and equation number 4, we find that right hand side of both the equations is equal to minus 8. Therefore, alpha beta is equal to c upon a. Hence, the relation is verified. Now we will start second part of the question 1. The equation is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Therefore, A will be equal to 4, B equal to minus 4 and C equal to 1. For finding zeros of the equation, equate it with 0. Therefore, 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 0. Now multiplying the extremes 4s square and 1, we get 4s square. On factorization, we get 2 into 2 into s into s. But the middle term is negative, so we will take both the parts negative. So minus 4s is equal to minus 2s minus 2s. Now taking 4s square minus 2s in one bracket and 2s minus 1 in other bracket. Take out 2s from the first bracket and minus 1 from the second bracket, we get 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. In case product of two numbers is equal to 0, either the first number should be 0 or the second number should be 0. But in this case, we find that both are same, 2s minus 1. So 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore 2s is equal to 1 and s is equal to half. Therefore, both the roots alpha and beta are half. Now adding both the roots, alpha plus beta is equal to half plus half, that is equal to 1. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 1 is the first equation. Now multiplying alpha and beta, that is equal to half into half, that comes out 1 upon 4. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 4. This is equation number 2. Now taking the coefficients of the equation, we'll take minus b upon a, that will come equal to minus within bracket minus 4 upon 4, that will be equal to 1. Therefore, minus b upon a is equal to 1 is the third equation. Now dividing the coefficient c with a, we get 1 upon 4. This is equation number 4. On comparing equation number 1 and equation number 3, we find that right hand side of both the equation is equal to 1. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. On comparing equation number 2 and equation number 4, we find that right hand side of both the equation is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Hence, the relation is verified. Now start part 3rd of question 1. So part is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So arrange it in descending order, so it becomes 6x square minus 7x minus 3. By observing the equation, we find that a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 3. For finding zeros of the equation, equate it with 0. Therefore, 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. On multiplying the extremes of the equation, that is 6x square and minus 3, we get minus 18x square. Factorize minus 18x square, we get 2, 3, 3, minus 1, x and x. Therefore, minus 7x is equal to minus 9x plus 2x by regrouping the factors. On splitting the middle term, minus 7x, we get 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now take 6x square minus 9x in one bracket and 2x minus 3 in the other bracket. Take out 3x from the first bracket and 1 from the second bracket. Therefore, we get 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. When the product of two numbers is equal to 0, either the first number is equal to 0 or the second number is equal to 0. So, either 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 2x minus 3, get 2x is equal to 3, therefore x is equal to 3 by 2. And taking 3x is 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, we get 3x is equal to minus 1, therefore x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Therefore, the two roots alpha and beta, we find alpha is equal to 3 by 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Now adding the two roots alpha and beta, we get alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 3. That comes out to be equal to 7 upon 6. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 7 upon 6. This is equation number 1. Now multiplying both the roots alpha and beta, we get alpha into beta is equal to 3 by 2 into minus 1 upon 3. That comes out to be equal to minus half because 3 is cancelled with 3. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to minus half is the second equation. Now taking out coefficients of the equation minus b upon a is equal to minus within bracket minus 7 upon 6, that comes out to be equal to 7 upon 6. Therefore, minus b upon a is equal to 7 upon 6. This is equation number 3. Now dividing coefficient c with a, we get c upon a is equal to minus 3 upon 6, that is equal to minus half. Therefore, c upon a is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is equation number 4. From equation 1 and equation 3, we find that right hand side of both the equation is equal to 7 upon 6. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. And on comparing the equation 2 and 4, we find that right hand side of both the equation is equal to minus half. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Hence, the relation is verified. Now we start fourth part of question 1. The equation is 4u square plus 8u. It has only two terms. The third term is missing. So, the third term can be taken as 0. Therefore, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 8 and c 0. For finding zeros of the equation, equate it with 0. Therefore, 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. Now, taking out 4u common from the equation, we get 4u into u plus 2 is equal to 0. When the product of two numbers is equal to 0, either one should be 0 or the other should be 0. Therefore, either 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0. When 4u is equal to 0, we get u is equal to 0 upon 4. Therefore, u is equal to 0. And if we take u plus 2 is equal to 0, we get u is equal to minus 2. Hence, the first 0 alpha is equal to 0 and second 0 beta is equal to minus 2. Now adding the two roots alpha and beta, we get alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 1. On multiplying both the roots, we get alpha into beta is equal to 0 into minus 2. That comes out to be 0. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now taking coefficients of the equation, minus b upon a is equal to minus 8 upon 4. That is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 3. On dividing coefficient c with a, we get c upon a is equal to 0 upon 4. That is equal to 0. This is equation number 4. On comparing equation number 1 and 3, we find that right hand side of both the equation is equal to minus 2. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. On comparing equation number 2 and equation number 4, we find that right hand side of both the equation is equal to 0. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Hence, the relation is verified. Now we start fifth part of question 1. The equation is t square minus 15. It has only two terms. Therefore, the third term, that should be the middle term, the multiple of t is missing. Therefore, the coefficient of t should be 0. Therefore, we can take t square minus 15 equal to t square plus 0 into t minus 15. Therefore, the coefficients of the equation are a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 15. For finding zeros of the equation equated with 0, therefore t square minus 15 is equal to 0. This equation is of the form a square minus b square is equal to 0. As under root 15 into under root 15 is equal to 15, we can convert the equation in the form t whole square minus under root 15 whole square is equal to 0. Therefore, the factors of the equation will be t plus under root into t minus under root 15 is equal to 0. Applying the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. When product of two numbers is equal to 0, either the first should be 0 or the second should be 0. Therefore, either t plus under root 15 is equal to 0 or t minus under root 15 is equal to 0. By taking t plus under root 15 is equal to 0, we get t is equal to minus under root 15. And by taking t minus under root 15 is equal to 0, we get t is equal to under root 15. Therefore, alpha is equal to minus under root 15 and beta is equal to under root 15. Now adding both the roots, we get alpha plus beta is equal to minus under root 15 plus under root 15. That comes out equal to 0. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 0 is the first equation. Multiplying both the roots, we get alpha into beta is equal to minus under root 15 into plus under root 15. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to minus 15. This is equation number 2. Now taking coefficients of the equation, minus b upon a is equal to minus 0 upon 1. Therefore, minus b upon a is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Now dividing the coefficient c with a, we get c upon a is equal to minus 15 upon 1. Therefore, c upon a is equal to minus 15. This is equation number 4. From equation 1 and equation 3, we find that right hand side of both the equation is equal to 0. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. And on comparing the equation number 2 and 4, we find that right hand side of both the equation is equal to minus 15. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Hence, the relation is verified. Now, we will start sixth part of question 1. The equation is 3x square minus x minus 4. By observing the equation, we find that a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 4. For finding zeros of the equation equated with 0, 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. By multiplying the extremes of the equation, we get 3x square into minus 4 is equal to minus 12x square. Now, we will get the factors of minus 12x square, that comes out to be 2 into 2 into 3 into x into minus x. Therefore, we will convert minus x into minus 4x plus 3x. Now from the first two terms, 3x square minus 4x, take out x common from these two terms. Therefore, we will get x into 3x minus 4 and take out 1 from 3x minus 4. So, we get 1 into 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the two terms or the two factors are 3x minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, when the product of two numbers is equal to 0, either the first number should be 0 or the second number should be 0. Therefore, either 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. If 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, we get 3x is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 upon 3. And if x plus 1 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, alpha is equal to 4 upon 3 and beta is equal to minus 1. Now, adding the two roots, alpha and beta, we get alpha plus beta is equal to 4 upon 3 minus 1. That comes out to be equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 3. This is equation number 1. Now multiplying both the roots, alpha into beta is equal to 4 upon 3 into minus 1. That comes out to be equal to minus 4 upon 3. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to minus 4 upon 3 is the second equation. Now taking coefficients, we get minus b upon a is equal to minus within bracket minus 1 upon 3. That comes out to be equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore, minus b upon a is equal to 1 upon 3. This is equation number 3. Now dividing c by a, we get c upon a is equal to minus 4 upon 3. This is equation number 4. On comparing equation number 1 and equation number 3, we find that right hand side of both the equation is equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. And from equation 2 and equation 4, we find that right hand side of both the equation is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Hence, the relation is verified. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.